Welcome to my channel. Linksys Wi-Fi Extender Quick Start Guide. Step 1. Plug the Linksys extender into an electrical outlet near your router. Wait for the power lead to be solid. Step 2. On your computer or mobile device, go to your Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the extender's default network, usually named Linksys Extender Setup or similar. Step 3. Open a web browser and enter http://extenderlinksys.com in the address bar. You should see the Linksys Extender Setup page. Step 4. Click on Start Setup or similar to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions. Step 5. Select your Wi-Fi network, the one you want to extend, from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Step 6. You may be prompted to create a new network name for the extended network. This can be the same as your existing network or a new one. Continue following the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Step 7. Once setup is complete, unplug the extender and move it to a new location between your router and the area where you need better coverage. Plug the extender into an electrical outlet. Step 8. Make sure the extender's signal LED indicates a good connection to the router. Consult your extender's user manual for LED indications. Step 9. Connect your devices to the extended network. Thanks for watching.